Namaste. Today, let us know everything about preliminary activities. Preliminary activities are used to help the child settle down in a Montessori house of children. Preliminary activities or toys are normally found in all homes, like threading beads, stacking beakers, stacking rings, shapes, pairing pictures, counting rings, and so on. In Montessori houses of children, there are three kinds of preliminary activities. They are collective preliminary activities, group preliminary activities, and individual preliminary activities. Collective preliminary activities are the activities where all children in the class participate. These are presented first since the child feels safe in the group, among all children, and he feels one among many. The examples for collective preliminary activities are rhymes, songs, and bhajans. Group preliminary activities are where a group of 4 or 5 children participate. Example, listening to a story and picture description and so on. An individual preliminary activity is presented to an individual child where he works independently. These activities are not actually presented with an elaborate presentation. He is just introduced to the activity. Example of individual preliminary activities are threading beads, sorting beads, looking at pictures, pairing pictures. So these preliminary activities, the toys and the materials which are familiar to him, keep him occupied and help him settle down faster. So we can use this settling down to instill some base rules in the houses of children. For instance, order, that is returning the material to its place and taking the material only from the shelf. Now because Montessori is being offered at home, even at home we can offer preliminary activities, and we can use these activities to instill the rules of order and instill routine at home. If the child is not used for rules at home, he gets very upset and throws tantrum. So the parent should be firm and see that the rules are established. If he hurts himself, attend to him, but when working from 9 to 12, when we have set a time, this is working time, we have to be firm with our rules and we have to see that the child follows the rules from 9 to 12 and make it clear that these rules are non-negotiable. Once the child settles down, the preliminary activities have to be removed from the shelves because the child will be dependent on these activities because they are easy. There is no rule how to work with these materials, and he may want to work with these materials more and more, and he may neglect working with other activities. So it is essential to remove preliminary activities from the shelves once their purpose is served. So this is about preliminary activities. Thank you. Have a good day.